Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a new lesson about solving multi-step equation. This is the second lesson about solving equation. The first lesson we talked before, talking about solving one-step equation. We just do one step to solve equation. But this lesson we do more than one step, maybe two steps, three steps. It's up to the question we have. For example, 3m plus 4 equal negative 11. First, ask yourself, where is the variable? The variable is m. Okay, now, which number around m? We have 3 and 4. To solve any equation, you should find the unknown number. The unknown number here is called the variable. To find this variable, we need to find it like this, m equal what? Okay. Now, how can we make this m alone? We need to cancel 3 and 4. But every time we start with the farthest one. Okay, for example, 3 plus m equal 4. Which one is farthest from the variable m? 3 is very close, but m is farthest. Then to cancel plus 4, how can we cancel plus? The opposite of plus is minus. Like we learned it before in the video, solve one-step equation. If we did anything in left side, we should do the same on the right side. Now this 4 cancels this 4. Now we have left side, we have 3m. In right side, negative 11 and negative 4, we have same sign. We do plus and keep sign. 11 plus 4 will be 15. Now, how can we cancel 3? The relation between 3 and m is multiply. To cancel multiply or opposite of multiply is divide. Then we divided both sides by 3. Now 3 divided 3 will be 1. We don't need to write 1 here. We just write m equal negative divided positive. The answer should be negative. 15 divided 3 will be 5. Then the solution for the equation 3m plus 4 equal negative 11 is negative 5. If you wanted to check your answer, you can substitute here. For example, you can set 3 multiply negative 5 plus 4 and check your answer will be negative 11 or not. 3 times negative 5, it will be negative 15. Negative 15 plus 4, different sign, we do minus, it will be negative 11. The same right side here. This means the equation or the solution we get is correct. Question number 2. 2a minus 6 equal 4. Where is the variable here? The variable is a. Which numbers around a? We have 2 and 6. We need to cancel 2 and 6, but like we said before, we start with the farthest one from the variable. Okay, the farthest is 6. How can we cancel minus 6? The opposite of minus is plus 6. Okay, if we did in left side plus 6, we should do same on right side. Now 6 minus 6 here will be 0. We have left here 2a. In other side 4 plus 6 will be 10. Now how can we cancel 2? This 2 is multiply with a. The opposite of multiply is divided. Then we divide it by 2, divided by 2, both sides. Then a equal 10 divided 2 will be 5. If you want to check your answer, now we finish the answer here. If you want to check your answer, you should substitute a here by 5. You can do it mental. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. Yes, correct. Understand? Okay, question number 3. 12 equal negative 7f minus 9. Where is the variable here? The variable here is f. Okay, which numbers around f on the same side? We have 9 and 7 beside f. This negative 7, negative 9 or minus 9. Okay, we need to cancel this negative 7 and this minus 9. How can we cancel negative 7 and negative 9? Okay, we start first to cancel the farthest one. Okay, farthest one is minus 9. How can we cancel minus 9? Plus 9. plus 9. Because the inverse of minus 9, it will be plus 9. The inverse of multiplication will be division. Okay, look at here. Cancel 9 with 9 here. 12 plus 9 is 21 equal negative 7f. Now, negative 7f is multiply. To cancel multiply, like we said before, we do divide. Now, positive divided negative here is negative. 21 divided 7 will be 3. And other side, cancel negative 7 with negative 7 because it will be 1. Any number divided by itself equal 1. Now we have here f left. Now the solution here will be f equal, you can rearrange it like this, no problem. F equal negative 3. Like we said before, you can check your answer by use substitution. Negative 7 times negative 3, it will be 21. 21 minus 9, the answer will be 12. Then your answer here is correct. Another one, negative 3 equal 2 plus a over 11. Where is the variable here? This is the variable. How can we remove the number 2 and 11? Okay, first, which one we should start, 2 or 11? Like we said, we should start with the farthest one. The farthest one here is 2. Okay, this 2 positive 2. To cancel this positive 2, we do minus 2, minus 2. Minus 3, minus 2, same sign, do plus and keep sign. It will be negative 5. Another side, 2 minus 2, 0. Now we have left here a over 11. Now, how can we cancel this 11? The relation between a and 11 is division. The opposite of division is multiply. Okay, to cancel this multiply, we can use this division, sorry, we can use multiply. Okay, multiply by 11 by 11. This 11 is like over 1. Cancel 11 up with 11 down. We have here just a. And right, left side here, we can do multiply 11 by negative 5, negative positive negative. 5 times 11 is 55. We finish, but we can rearrange. We start with the variable here, a equal negative 55. Then the solution for this equation will be a equal negative 55. Like we said, if you want to check to your answer, you can use substitution here. You replace this a by negative 55 and check you will get the second side or not. For example, let's check together. Negative 55 divided 11 will be negative 5. Negative 5 plus 2 will be negative 3. Then this answer correct. Next question. A plus 7 over 8 equal 5. Where is the variable here? The variable is a. Which numbers around a on the same side? We have plus 7 and we have divided by 8. Okay, we should cancel which one first? If you said that you need to cancel 7 first, but look, how can you cancel this 7 and you have down here 8? This 8, it's like prevent you from cancel 7. Okay, then what should I do? Like we said, we should start with the farthest one. Okay, this A is close to 7 and this division make us we can't control or we can't remove 7. Then we need to cancel this divide by 8 first. How can we cancel divided? We cancel division by multiplication. Okay, this 8 it's like over 1. You can cancel it up with 8 down. We have left here A plus 7. In other side, we have 5 times 8 is 40. Now, how can we cancel plus 7? We can do minus 7, then a equal 40 minus 7, it will be 33. Like we said, you can check your answer by substitution. 33 plus 7 is 40. 40 divided 8 equal 5, then your answer is correct. Now, let's talk about question number 6. We have variable n here, n plus 1 divided by negative 2 equal 50. Okay, then we should cancel plus 1 and divided negative 2. Which one first? Okay, like we said before, we should cancel this division first. How can we cancel this division? By multiplication both sides. This 2, it's like negative 2, it's like over 1. Then you can cancel this negative 2 up from with this negative 2 down. We have left here n plus 1. On other side, we have negative positive negative 2 times 15 it will be 30. Now we can cancel this plus 1 by minus 1 minus 1. Then n equal negative 30 and negative 1 will be negative 31. Okay, check your answer. Negative 31 plus 1, it will be negative 30. Negative 30 divided negative 2 will be 15. Then your answer is correct. Okay, now we have different type of questions. When he said write three consecutive numbers, we write x. The second number, we write it x plus 1. The third number, we write it x plus 2. If he asks you write three consecutive even numbers or odd numbers, we write the first number x, then the second one will be x plus 2, the third one will be x plus 4. How if he said even or odd, we write the same variables. Look here. If he said write three odd numbers consecutive, then the first one here, x, represent odd numbers. For example, if we said this x represent 5, then the second one, 5 plus 2 will be 7, 5 plus 4 will be 9. But if he said even numbers, three consecutive even numbers, if, for example, if the first number even like 10, the second one will be 12, the third one will be 14. Check your answer. 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. Okay. Here he said integers. Integers means between each numbers just 1. Then each time we do plus 1 plus 1. Let's solve some questions. Write an equation and solve each problem. First question he said 7 less than 4 times the number equals 13. What is the number? Okay, first he said less than. Less than, we do minus and we start with the second number minus the first number. Here he said 4 times the number. Let this number is x, and he said 4 times the number, we write it 4x minus 7 equal 13. Now, how can we solve it? Like we said, where is the variable here or where is the number here? We need to find it. We have x. We need to make this x alone, then we should cancel minus 7 first. How can we cancel minus 7? Plus 7 plus 7. And now this is canceled. Then 4x equals 13 plus 7 will be 20. Now 4 is multiply with x. To cancel multiply, we'll do divide. Then x equal 5. Then the number missing here is 5. Another question. Find two consecutive odd integers. Remember, if he said odd or even, we start to let the first number x, the second one x plus 2, the third one x plus 4 plus 6. Every time we do plus 2. He asks you to do what? Find the two, just two consecutive. Then let the first one is x and the second one is x plus 2. What he said about the two consecutive odd integers? He said their sum is 116. Then we should write equation. The first one here plus the second one here equals what? Equals 116. Now, how can we solve it? We have like terms here. X and x here will be 2x plus 2 equal 116. Now we should cancel this 2 first. Minus 2 minus 2. Then we have 2x equal 114. Now we need to cancel this 2. This 2 multiply with x. To cancel it, we do divided 2, divided 2. Then we have here x equal 114 divided by 2 will be 57. Then the first number here will be 57. The second number here will be 59. Then we write two odd integers and consecutive will be 57 and 59. If you want to check your answer, you can do plus between the two numbers and check the answer will be 116 or not. If you did 57 plus 59, the answer will be 116, then your answer correct. Another question. Find two consecutive even integers. again, consecutive and even. Then we should let the first one is x and the second one x plus 2. Okay, he said their sum is what? 126. Then we should write plus between the two numbers here. X plus the second number, x plus 2 equals 126. Now we should collect like terms together. X and x should be 2x plus 2 equal 126. Now we need to solve this question. Where's the variable here? X. Which number around x? We have 2 here and 2 here. We started to cancel the first one. This plus 2, we do minus 2 minus 2. Then we have 2x equal 124. Now divided by 2 both. Then x equal 124 divided by 2 will be 12 divided 2 will be 6 and 4 divided 2 will be 2. It will be 62. Then the first number here will be 62 and the second number here 62 plus 2 will be 64. Then we write the two even numbers will be 62 and 64. If you want to check your answer, do plus between these two numbers and check the answer will be 126 or not. 62 plus 64, it will be 126. Then your answer is correct. Another question, find three consecutive odd integers. Okay, let the first one x, the second one x plus 2, the third one x plus 4. Now he said their sum is 117, x plus 2 plus x plus 4 equal 117. Now we need to collect all x's together because they are like terms. X, it will be 3x. And collect numbers, whole numbers together. 2 plus 4 will be plus 6. On the other side, we have 117. Now we need to solve minus 6 minus 6, 3x equal 111. Now we need to cancel this 3. How? Divided by 3 divided by 3. Okay. Then the answer will be x equal 111 divided by 3. 1 divided 3 we can't, we take 11. 11 divided 3 we make it 9 and we have 2 left. 9 divided 3 will be 3. 21 divided 3 will be 7. Then this means the first number here will be 37. The second one will be 39. The third one will be 41. Okay, then we write three odd numbers here. 37, 39, 41. If you want to check your answer, you can do plus between the three numbers here and check they are equal 117 or not. Okay, now we finish our lesson and I hope everyone understand it well. I hope to see you again in next lesson. Bye bye.